Hello and welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. Soak the raisins and let it sit for about 10 minutes. You can also use rum instead of pineapple juice. Do let me know what you'd like to see cook in the rice cooker below. Be sure to dice and measure out your papaya ahead of time. Do check the written recipe and instruction below for any last-minute updates. Grease and line your pot or pan with parchment paper. Now drain out about 2 tablespoons of the raisins and evenly distribute them onto the bottom. If you're new to baking in your rice cooker, be sure to watch to the end for very important tips. Now take about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the diced papaya and evenly distribute that on the bottom, making it look pretty. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I am Pang. Do hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It really does help my channel out. And I would love to have you join my channel. So please do hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. And that way you know when I upload new recipes. I do upload a new video every Saturday here. Fold slowly here with a spatula until most of the lumps are gone. Give it a few taps to distribute the batter evenly, and the paper towel will help catch condensation. Press cook, set a 30-minute timer, and then wait, and repeat this process until your cake is done. Mine took 3 bake cycles, which is about 90 minutes. Take it out and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then turn it upside down right away. You want to do this while the caramel is still soft? Just beautiful. If you did make a recipe, do share a picture or a short video with me. You can connect with me through any of these methods. All the links are at the bottom of the description box. Links are below for similar items that I've used. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Do like, share, and comment below. And until next week, have a wonderful week.